Hi guys. Hi guys. Update. It's currently 5 o'clock. We're taking a break for like 10 minutes. Yes, and we're making some coffee because I'm a bit sleepy right now. Like I'm lazy at the same time. So we're taking a break for like 10 minutes. Yes, and I wanted to try out this coffee, which is a Turkish coffee that my brother got, and I have not tried it out yet. Yet, I have not tried it out yet. So I wanted to try it. So that's why we ordered some milk from Blinkit. We got these two Tetra packs. We also got like some other things. Like we got some gums, Happident, and yeah, and I also got like a Christmas paper. So I have like gift papers. It is so. I think recently there was a trend like doing a Christmas photo shoot with your dog, like wrapping them up or like clicking photos with the Christmas paper. So that's why we ordered this. Nothing was that great, I would say, on Blinkit, but yes, I'm just too lazy to go to the market. But yes, this was nice. But later I'm gonna check out. So now let's make the coffee. Later I just want to check out this one shop which has got like really pretty Christmas trees. I'm not sure if I'm wanting to buy one or something like that. And yeah, because if I want to buy one, then it should be a big one rather than a small one with less leaves into it, because I don't like those type of Christmas trees. But yes, I just want to see like how it looks like and how much is the budget price, how much is the price and everything, because it should fit my budget, I would say. Yes. But for now, let's make the coffee and tell you the reviews about this coffee. Yes. It's called 100% Arabica. Hello.
Hello. We are adding.
We have sugar. So Gani is gonna prepare hers, and then I'm gonna prepare mine.
So we've added sugar. And now
What are we adding? Coffee.
it's the time for some Turkish coffee. Okay.
Cut it.
थोड़ा सा ही करेंगे. और अब pocket candy है.
Arey, it's very strong, man.
How much should you add? Oh guys, तुम मुंह नहीं देख पा रहे हो. अब दिख रही हो? Don't worry. ये Turkish coffee के नाम. Do you like coffee strong or how?
I like it a bit strong when at night, not now.
थोड़ा और खुलना पड़ेगा.
I just get water.
Guys.
We basically don't have any spoons here.
We're going to do something.
Dhwani has this crazy idea of doing something.
Okay, I think this much is enough. What do you feel?
Bro, it's very strong.
I want to understand the taste of it. I'm very curious for the taste.
I'll bring the thing as well.
एक ही लिया ना?
Tetra pack.
हाँ एक ही ला अभी. देख इतनी बहुत है तुझे?
हाँ. We have the Tetra packs.
This is a Tetra pack. अभी पानी डाल. डाल डाल डाल. बस मेरे में भी डाल दे. थोड़ा बस.
Okay.
ओके अब ऐसे से कर इसको मिला. ये ऐसे से मिल जाना चाहिए ताकि वो शुगर मिल जाए. Guys, don't judge her because can you see sugar? Keep mixing.
Yeah, I feel like
Guys, it will take some time.
if this doesn't work, no Dhwani. But it will work, I think.
क्योंकि गर्म पानी है ना तो sugar melt soon.
हाँ.
थोड़ी सी और,
Done?
थोड़ी सी.
My coffee is also melting. Right? Ooh, this thing is nice.
See, हॉस्टल में कभी रही नहीं हुए गाइस, बट ये सारे तौर तरीके पूरे आते हैं. Yes,
It's great.
I think it's done. Okay. Well done.
I think you have to cut it now.
Done.
Okay.
हम दूध पिएंगे.
Doopy.
वो भाई 200 ml इसी में खत्म हो जाएगा. भाई ये जो कलर का चीज, what is almost equal, did you see?
Yeah. I think we need more coffee.
I'll check if I have any kind of spoon in my bag.
Dhwani is trying something new, guys.
Guys, I'm trying to mix this way, शायद mix हो जाए. And I can see it is mixing.
And you're spilling almost half of it.
Sorry, ये सब चलेगा, but mixing is important. I think mix हो रही है ना? रुक, एक सिप पी के देखते हैं. चीनी कम है.
Okay.
Otherwise it is good.
Okay. So yours. Dhwani, the master chef in the house.
Guys, we are trying coffee. It's a दूध.
You already tried it, basmati.
Okay. चीनी कम है और आई थिंक स्ट्रॉन्ग कम है ना.
हाँ. I
और डालेंगे?
can't. हाँ, थोड़ा और डालो. I can't feel the coffee like.
या ये कॉफी ही है ना.
अरे कॉफी है वो. ए उसमें मत डाल.
मैं क्या कर रही हूँ मुझे नहीं समझ आ. Do you feel this much is enough?
Yeah.
गाइस हम हग भी देंगे ना तो भी आपको यही बोलेंगे कि हमने बहुत अच्छा करा होगा. आपको पता है क्यों?
Hey, you mixed already my coffee in that.
अच्छा, दो तो तुम्हारी मिक्स कर देती हूँ.
You can use the other one for you then.
This was my favorite cup. Actually, guys, this is my offie cup.
Coffee?
Office cup for coffee. What is wrong with ये Turkish coffee ने मेरी जुबान बदल दी. I feel something is wrong with this Turkish coffee. यार फिजल. मैं चक्कर वक्कर खाई गिर गई तो ऐसे फिजल ने पिलाया. क्या पिलाया? चरस गांजा.
Hey, I opened the same coffee basmati.
And then Fizzle will be like Charas Ganja, Miracle Pyara, Charas Ganja.
अरे this woman is just spilling everything.
I think अब ये अच्छी हो गई Fizzle. चाय? Can you taste coffee or is there something that is?
I don't know what is missing, but something is missing.
I think it's sugar. क्योंकि दूध भी है. Sugar is missing.
A bit.
जब फ्री में मिल रहा था तो भर के लाना चाहिए ना.
अरे उसने he asked me how much you want. I said only 2.
पता है इस कॉफी का खुद का टेस्ट नहीं है. नो टेस्ट.
Because might be because it's only Arabica or something.
If you go to taste, no, the coffee itself doesn't has any kind of taste.
ये गांजा
See.
लेती है. इसको
Taste this and then taste Nescafe or brew. You will understand the difference. समझी?
बहुत कड़वी है ये.
नहीं, इसका टेस्ट नहीं है खुद का कुछ. ये मैं बोल रही हूँ. Guys, actually, this is some kind of coffee which doesn't has its own taste. जैसे Nescafe and brew has. I'm just explaining because मैं कॉफी खूब पीता हूँ इसलिए. इसका खुद का टेस्ट नहीं है, तभी हमें इतना blunt टेस्ट आ रहा है.
I think it will be a good black coffee. But this is all for our coffee session, guys.
Coffee with Fizzle and Dhwani.